Hello everyone, my name is Carlos de la Madrid, Business Development Manager for the Americas region. In the Americas region, we have experienced a significant business growing during 2020. It is mainly the result of the sales activities during previous year, once the sales cycle in this region usually takes a long period. This work has been fruitful and we see specific and good results in Mexico with education vertical, Chile with public safety vertical, and Dominican Republic with energy vertical. In these three countries, we see a business growing in more than 100%. In the rest of the region, we see diverse projects with different verticals like mining, transportation, mobility, etc. All this activity will allow us to consolidate the operation of Infinet in this region. And regarding our vision for the rest of 2020 and coming year, we see still several opportunities closing during this year, and this will give us a very solid fundamentals to continue growing the business next year in the LATAM region and now also in the US market. We have been able to take some market from our competitors with more time in the marketplace, and it has been possible due to the better organized distribution chain that give us more capillarity in the market, but also to the fact we have been able to enroll in business some large and medium-sized telcos, and these companies found Infinet a better way to solve their requirements. For all this, we see a promising future for Infinet at American region.
Hi everyone, I'm Marcio Romano, Business Development Manager for Brazil, Uruguay, Argentina, and Paraguay in Infinet Wireless. In the last few years, we saw the growth of the fiber optics participation in the market, and many people thought it was the end of wireless technology. Not exactly what we have seen though. Although the demand for radios have decreased compared to a few years ago, it reached a point of equilibrium and clearly showed its value. The Latin America telecom market knows very well the importance of the wireless technology to overcome the challenges of its vast and harsh terrains and climates. It's largely used in all countries of the region and helps to connect people and things from the capitals and main cities to isolated communities. And the demand for connectivity keeps growing. The blast of the internet, security, and IoT markets are pushing the demand in LATAM and will certainly keep growing in the coming years. Infinet Wireless is here to help you making the right choice. With point-to-point and point-to-multi-point solutions, state-of-the-art technology, high quality and reliability, capacity over the gigabit, and distance up to 100 kilometers, this is your best option if you want peace of mind when implementing your projects.
Hi, I'm Flavio Gonzales. I'm a business development manager for Infinet Wireless in South America region. And I'm here to talk about some of the records that we have achieved in the region in the last year. At first, I would like to mention the link with the longest distance that we have achieved in the region. It was deployed by University of Guanajuato in Mexico, and they are using a Quanta 5 link that delivers 400 megabits per second capacity, and the distance of the link is 105 kilometers. It is really a very long link with a very good result in capacity. And then if we go to the capacity side, also with the University of Guanajuato in Mexico, we have achieved a great success with them. They have deployed a 30 kilometers link using XG1000 units. They installed 2 links in parallel, and it is delivering about 1.6 gigabits per second capacity in this scenario. They are using a 2+0 installation, so both links are transmitting in the same time. 1.6 gigabits is very important result for us also. And then we have in Colombia, our customer Telematics, they succeeded to install a link in 91 kilometers distance using 20 megahertz channels and delivering about 186 megabits per second. And then if we go to the noisy scenario, let's say, also in Colombia with our customer Infinet, we have tested a link with 16 kilometers distance in a very noisy spectrum. The noise level was around minus 65 dBm, and we could achieve 400 megabits per second using a 40 megahertz channel, and also delivering a latency of 4 milliseconds for the link. Very important, capacity and latency in a very noisy environment. So these are the records that we could achieve this year in our region. Thank you.
Hi, I am Andres Monjardin, Technical Manager Latin America at Infinet Wireless. In the last year, important projects have been implemented. I mention a few. We will start in Mexico, where the University of Guanajuato has the first Quanta 5 link 105 kilometers away, providing more than 400 megabits of throughput. Our client is completely satisfied with the results. Another interesting project in Mexico is being implemented in the state of Jalisco. The objective is provide internet service to the entire metropolitan area and to more than 19 municipalities throughout the state. The connectivity network will have more than 5,000 remote sites, becoming the largest project in the region today. It's important to mention the project implemented in Uruguay. It has more than 1,000 connected radios. Its object is to achieve the connectivity of the security cameras of the Maldonado and Montevideo departments, in addition to provide internet service to rural schools.
Hi, I am Carlos Duque, Technical Sales Manager at Infinet Wireless. In the last year, Infinet Wireless presence has grown significantly. The regional growth strategy has the support of our partners like TicketShop in Peru and Chile, Avantec in Colombia and Mexico, GSS in Dominican Republic, Alca, ConnectLAN and Spectra in Brazil, Antel and Teledata in Uruguay, among other partners that support us in Latin America. On the other hand, at Infinet Wireless, we also carry out actions aimed at the main vertical market like internet providers, energy, electrical, oil, gas, and water, smart cities, and transportation. We also have recently reached a new markets such as Bolivia and Ecuador, where our proposal of true and robust wireless solution is showing that wireless is coming back like the faster solution to help in the connection of the new application and needs that 1 year before were unthinkable. We will continue with these growth strategies to go to more markets in Latin America and clearly maintaining the good relationship with our current partners, leading the wireless alternative to all the cabling technologies.